Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Yeedi M14 Plus. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we're going to enter into our device right here. And you'll notice towards the bottom right-hand corner above the station tab, we have this map icon. So right above that station with the home icon, we can select that. And this is going to take us to a bunch of our map settings where we can rename particular rooms, add a custom or choose a default. So we have our area renaming. Then we have our virtual boundaries. So take a look here what we're able to do. Basically rectangular or linear boundaries. Then we have no entry zones and no mop zones. So multiple types to pick and choose from. So here's a look at the linear. Again, drag and drop, you can add multiples of each. Here's a look at the rectangular. Drag and drop, add multiples of each, and then pick and choose which one you want. So again, it's going to basically be that orangish red versus that yellow gold. But you can configure that on your map. Then we have divide, so we could divide a room. Everything again, drag and drop, reposition. We can combine rooms. You'd select two rooms to combine and then hit confirm. We have furniture. Not sure the point here besides just for your own satisfaction, but you can place furniture around your house. It's not going to help any sort of navigation from what we've seen. Wall adjustment, this is nice. So we can take a wall here, and then we can basically move it all the way out 10 feet if we want. So we can expand our walls. Then we have material. So basically we can change the material here in the room for the floor type. Or if it's not the right floor type, you can add carpets, right? So you can pick and choose and do all that there, round or rectangular. And that's showing us with those icons again. It's automatically updated there on the map. So carpet cleaning strategy too. No entry, pass only, vacuum only as on floor. So you can treat it however you want. Or again, we can drag and drop. Boom, just added carpet there. Pretty sweet. So you get the idea. Next, we have our threshold ramp. So we could add a ramp. Drag and drop as always. Then we can delete an area. Say there's a room we don't want. It's not right. We can delete that right there on our map. Then on the same screen, top right-hand corner, we got three dots. We can name, backup, restore, or delete our map. And center at the top, map 1. Where's a little downward arrow. We can select this to choose other maps. So we could select this map. We can delete the map too. I'm showing you this for a particular reason, because now we have an option for a third map. And then we could add and create another map right there. So it saves 3 maps at one time for those that are wondering. And that's how you get access to that right there, to select your map or add a map. And then back out on this screen, we're going to go to the top right-hand corner. There's a settings icon. We're going to select that and go down to map settings. And from here, we can toggle on or off multi-floor mode. So if you don't have that option yet, make sure that's toggled on. Then we have our map display settings here. And at the very bottom, it says edit map. That takes us back to the screen that we're at, which is the same as that map icon on our main overview for our vacuum right there. So very detailed and customizable map strategies. Basically, we have another option too on our map right here. I'll show you. I think it relates. It's this zone icon above the map icon. So we can use our map and then add different cleaning zones. And we can go ahead and we could just select different rooms on our map, and it will just clean those rooms. So that's a quick look at the map settings for the Yeedi M14 Plus. A lot of customization to hopefully be able to get your home and your map exactly how it needs to be.